Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to set up AI assistant for travel itinerary assistance. So I run a travel agency and want to use an AI assistant to assist customers in planning their itinerary, describing their destinations and accommodations. And this AI assistant is going to respond to my customer queries on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it. And that knowledge base contains details of my business. So firstly in this video we are going to create an AI agent, and now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this automation, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I am going to show you how you can set up an AI assistant for travel itinerary assistance. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the AI assistant I have created, and now I am going to show you how you can create an AI assistant like this for your business, which is going to build a better connection with your clients or customers by providing them information and listening to their inquiries even when you are busy or unavailable. So this AI assistant is going to save your time by reducing your manual workload, and this AI assistant is going to respond on the basis of the knowledge base you have provided to it, and that knowledge base contains the details of your business. So this AI assistant is going to fetch the data from the knowledge base you have created. So here you can see this is the knowledge base I have created regarding my business, and now my AI assistant is going to fetch the details regarding my customer queries from this knowledge base and provide details to my customers. So now I am going to show you the real working of this AI. So now I am going to test this AI assistant with you for checking its proper working. So for that you just have to move to my WhatsApp with me. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. And here this number is saved as my test numbers. So here I am going to enter this message, that is, hey, I need help. So now let's enter this message, and here I am going to wait for the response of my AI assistant, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message that is absolutely, what do you need help with? Just let me know and I will be happy to assist you. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant to check it's properly working or not. So I am going to enter another question, that is, what services do you offer? So here I have entered this question. Now I am going to wait for the response of my AI assistant, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with services offered by this travel ease agency. So here you can see these are the services. Now I am going to enter another question from my AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this another question, that is, how can I book flight? Now I am going to wait for the response of my AI assistant, and here my AI assistant is responding to me with steps to book a flight. And now I am going to enter my destination and travel date. Now let's enter these details over here. So here, as I have provided the destination and dates, my AI assistant has responded to me. Now let's enter another question for our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this another question for my AI assistant, that is, provide me the flight options. And here my AI assistant is responding to me with a message. So this is the way an AI assistant works. So you can also create an AI assistant like this for automating your all tasks. Now I am going to show you how you can create your own AI assistant. Now for creating that you simply have to access Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you simply have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over the sign up free, but if you are an existing user you can simply click over the sign in. But before moving on forward I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owners gathers to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant updates regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us by sharing your workflows and asking questions. And if you wish to join the Pabbly community you can find link in the description given below. Now without wasting time, let me take you towards Pabbly Chatflow, and here I am going to simply click over the sign in in, as I have already an account on Pabbly. And once you finish your sign up, you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the products provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create an AI assistant, I will be using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you simply have to click over this Access Now button, and as you will click on Access Now, you will be getting the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. So here you can see on the dashboard page, these are the two numbers I have connected to my account, and you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this Add WhatsApp Number button. And on this Add WhatsApp Number button, you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow, that is Inbox, Contacts, Team Queues, Templates, Broadcast, Flows, AI Assistant which we are going to create now, Activity Log, Settings, Get Help. So if you want to learn more about these features, you can find link in the description given below. And if you wish to create your own folder, you can simply click over this Create a New Folder button and your folder will be created. And now as we are going to create an AI assistant, we simply have to click over the AI assistant given on the sidebar. And as you will click on AI assistant, you will be getting this AI assistant page, and here you can see these are the AI assistant I have created for my account. Now I am going to show you how you can create your own AI assistant from scratch. For that, you simply have to click over this Add AI assistant button, and you will be getting this dialog box where you have to provide a name to your assistant. So here I am going to provide it the name, that is Trip Ease, which is the name of my brand. So here you can see I have provided the assistant name. Now we simply have to click over this Add AI assistant button, and we will be landed to the AI assistant page. So here you can see my AI assistant somewhat look like this, and on this AI assistant page you can see we are getting the AI instructions sections. So on this AI instructions, you can see it is asking me to select the instruction type. So I will be selecting the instruction type over here. So here you can see we are getting the instruction type as custom prompt, AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding experts, life coach, and futuristic fashion advisor. So if you want to select this custom prompt, you can select it and you will be getting the prompt instructions. But here I am going to select the AI agent, as I am going to create an AI assistant for my business. So here, as I have selected the AI agent, I have got some of the instructions. So you can also add your own instructions over here. Now moving on further, we are getting the option for AI configuration, and on this AI configuration we are getting the option for temperature. So now you might be wondering, what is this temperature doing over here? So temperature here basically shows the creativity of the AI's answer. Here 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. Means if you move towards 0, your answer will be more focused, and if you move towards 1, your answer will be more creative. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is 0.5. Now moving on further, we are getting the option for selecting the AI to use. So I will be selecting my AI, that is OpenAI. So here, as I have selected the AI, it is asking me to select the model. So I will be selecting the model as GPT-4o mini. So here I am done with my model. You can select model according to you. Now further, we are getting the option for API key. So for getting the API key, we just have to visit this help desk which says kindly visit your OpenAI API's key page to get the API key that you need to enter here. So for getting the API key, we just have to visit this OpenAI API's key page, and as you will land to this OpenAI API's key page, you will be getting this option, that is create new secret key. So you just have to click on this button and you will be getting a dialog box where you have to provide a name and the project, and just click over this create secret key button and your API key will be ready. But here I already have an API token, so I will be pasting it over here. So now let's paste it, and now we simply have to click over this connect button for connecting this API key, and here you can see we are getting this pop-up which says OpenAI key saved successfully. Now moving on further, we are getting some of the AI assistant settings. So you can manage some of your AI assistant settings over here. So here you can see we are getting the option for header message. So if you want to provide a header message, you can simply enable it and enter the header message, but I am going to just keep it as disable over here. Now further we are getting the option for footer message. So if you want to provide a footer message, you can simply enable it and enter your footer message. And afterwards we are getting the option for entering the stop keyword. So if you want to enter the stop keyword, you can simply enable it and enter the stop keyword. So stop keyword are the keywords which can stop your AI assistant. Now let's say I'm going to enter a stop keyword, that is stop. So for entering the stop keywords, you simply have to type it and press enter, and here our one stop keyword is ready. Now as soon as a user will type the stop keyword, my AI assistant will stop responding. Now here I am going to just keep it as disable over here, and further we are getting the option for retry attempt. So if you want to provide retry attempt, you can simply enable it. So retry attempt basically specifies the number of fallback retry attempt if the AI assistant fails to respond, and the valid range of this retry attempt is from 1 to 10, but I am going to keep it as disable over here. Now at last we are getting the option for fallback message. So fallback message is the message which will be displayed when the AI assistant API is not responding correctly, and here we are already getting a fallback message, but you can change it according to you. So here we are done with the AI instruction. Now let's manage the knowledge source of our AI assistant. So in this we have to upload the knowledge base which contains the details of our business, and on that basis our AI assistant is going to respond to our customer queries. So here we have to upload that knowledge base. So you can see this is the knowledge base I have created for my business, and this knowledge base contains the details of my business. But for uploading it, we firstly have to remember one point, that file format will be only accepted of .txt or .pdf, and if you have images over your knowledge base, then PDF is limited to only 10 pages. But here I am going to upload it in .txt format. So for getting the .txt file format, you just have to go to file, and here you can see we are getting the option for download. So you simply have to go to download, and here you can see we are getting the option for plain text.txt and PDF document, that is .pdf. So you just have to download your file on any of these formats. So you just have to click over this choose or drag a file here button, and here you can see we have landed to the download section, and on this download section you can see I'm getting this file, that is trip ease. So let's select it, and here we have uploaded a file, and we are getting this pop-up which says file uploaded and processed successfully. And as we have uploaded the file, we have got this name and vector ID. So here we are done with the management of our knowledge source. Now let's configure this assistant interface. So on this assistant interface, you can see it is asking me to enter the header display or the heading name. So on this header display or the heading name, I am going to enter my brand name, which is trip ease. So I am going to just type its name over here. So you can see this header display or heading name is appearing over the preview of the chatbot on the header section. And now further we are getting the option for header display subheading name, and we are already getting a subheading name which says we are online and happy to assist you, and this subheading name is appearing over the header section of the preview of the chatbot as a subheading name. Now further we are getting the option for initial message, and we are already getting an initial message, that is hi there, how can I help you today. And I am going to add one more initial message, that is, let's say I'm going to enter this initial message, that is hello. So you just have to type it and press the enter, and here you can see this initial message is appearing over the preview of our chatbot. But you have to remember one point, that you can add only 2 initial message. So I'm going to just remove it from here and keeping only 1 initial message. Now further we are getting the option for display the powered by Pabbly label, which is already enabled and appearing over the preview of our chatbot. But now I'm going to show you how you can disable it. So for that you simply have to click over the disable, and here you can see the powered by Pabbly label has been disappeared, but I am going to just keep it as enable over here, and our powered by Pabbly label has appeared again. Now afterwards we are getting the option for footer text. So if you want to provide a footer text, you can simply write it over here. and we are already getting a footer text, that is privacy policy, which is appearing over the footer of our chat bot. So afterwards we are getting the option for footer link. So if you want to add footer link, you can add it over here, and this will be appearing over the footer of your chat bot. Now at last we are getting the option for users first message. So users first message is the message which will be displayed to WhatsApp as the initial message from the user's side. And here we are already getting a users first message, that is I need help, but I'm going to convert it as hey I need help. So here we are done with the users first message. Also with this we have completed the assistant interface. Now let's provide styling to our AI assistant to customize its visual appearance. So here on the styling section you can see we are getting the option for theme mode. So the theme mode is already selected as light, but let's change it to dark. And here you can see as I have selected the dark, the theme mode of the chatbot is changed to dark, but I am going to keep it as light over here. And afterwards we are getting the option for assistant shape, which is already selected as circle, but you can select another option such as square and rounded square also, but I am going to keep it as the same. And afterwards we are getting some of the properties for which we can change the coloring. Now let's say I am going to change its coloring. So for that you just have to select it, and afterwards I am going to select another color. And as I have selected another color, you can see in the preview that color of the property of our chatbot has been changed. So likewise you can change the coloring of other properties of your chatbot also. Now we are getting the option for header profile picture, assistant profile picture and background picture. So if you want to add any kind of these profiles, you can add it over here. So with the profiles we are done with our AI assistant. Now we just have to activate it. Now for activating the AI assistant we just have to enable our AI assistant. And now for saving the AI assistant we simply have to click over the save AI assistant, and here you can see we are getting this pop-up which says AI assistant saved successfully, means we have successfully saved our AI assistant. Now if you wish to embed this AI assistant to your business, you simply have to click over the embed and you will be getting the script code. Now you just have to paste the script code over your business and the AI assistant will be embedded to your business. So this is the way you can create the AI assistant and embed it in your business. So now I am going to show you how you can activate the AI assistant for the chats. So for enabling it you just have to move to inbox on the sidebar, and as you will click on the inbox you will be getting the inbox page. And here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number you can see we are getting the option for choose AI assistant. So you just have to enable it, and as you will enable it you will be getting a dialog box where you have to select the AI assistant which you want to use. So I am going to select the AI assistant which I have recently created, that is Trip Ease AI. So let's select it, and afterwards we just have to click over the save button for saving the AI assistant or enabling it. And here you can see we are getting this pop-up which means we have enabled our AI assistant successfully. Now let's test this AI assistant. For that again you have to move to my WhatsApp with me. Now let's firstly clear this previous chat, and afterwards I am going to enter my user's first message, that is hey I need help, which I have already told you about. Now let's enter this message. Now I am going to wait for the response of my AI assistant. And here my AI assistant has responded to me with a message that is, of course, what do you need help with? I am here to assist you. Now let's ask another question from our AI assistant. So here I am going to enter this question, that is what services do you offer? Now I am going to wait for the response of my AI assistant, and afterwards I am going to check whether my AI assistant is responding on the basis of the knowledge base I have provided to it or not. So here you can see my AI assistant has responded to me with some of the services provided by this Trip Ease business. Now I am going to check this from my knowledge base. So let's move on to my knowledge base with me, and and here you can see, as I have moved to my knowledge base, these are the services offered by the Strip Ease business, and this is the same detail which my AI assistant is providing to me, which means my AI assistant is working properly and accurately. So now you can also create an AI assistant like this for your business to enhance it. Now for using it, you just have to use Pabbly Chatflow. So start using Pabbly Chatflow and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing AI assistants like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.